I've grown my business over the years while navigating grief, health challenges, and often only working 25 hours a week. In this episode, I'll show you how managing your energy instead of just your time can unlock a more profitable, sustainable rhythm in your business. We'll talk about how to spot your energetic peak zones, protect your creative bursts, and shift from doing more to amplifying your ROI with less. Because if you're still building momentum the way you did at year one, that's probably what's been holding you back. Hi, welcome to the show. I'm Sheila Botello, and this podcast is all about success from the inside out. You're listening to a minisode designed to help you live into what lights you up this week. There's a conversation I keep having with high-achieving women, and maybe it's one that you've had with yourself lately. It goes something like, I don't want to burn out. I've done that, but I also don't want to plateau. So how do I keep growing? Well, what I want you to know is momentum does not necessarily mean pushing. And at this level, it's actually costing you more when you try to scale with the same strategy that you used to use to grow. In the first few years of business, you probably equated momentum with output. You created a lot, you pushed, you showed up, you worked nights, you did what you needed to do to get you here, and it did. But it's not going to necessarily get you where you're going next. Now, your advantage is in protecting and elevating your energetic strategy, because the truth is your energy is the most under-leveraged part of your business model. It's the thing that determines how well you sell, how clearly you create, and how people experience your leadership. And yet we're often taught to plan in hours, in blocks, in sprints. Are you familiar with this? What if instead you planned in waves? I work with women who are managing teams, scaling multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses, or shifting out of full capacity mode into a more sovereign model of growth. And you know what we prioritize first? Their energetic cycles, their peak creative windows, their need for rest before launch mode and after it, their hormonal rhythms, their desire to stay inspired. Because when your business runs with you instead of against you, that's when you scale with sustainability. And here's a simple shift that I teach my private clients that you can implement today. Instead of asking, what do I have time for this week? Ask yourself, what do I actually have energy for? And instead of trying to fill every available hour, look at your calendar and ask yourself, where can I build in recovery before I need it? This one habit will stretch your revenue more for you than any fancy automation or trending funnel ever could. So if you're feeling the tension between scaling and sustaining, remember, your next breakthrough might not come from a time hack. It may come from finally honoring your energy as the asset it truly is. And if you're craving a more personalized rhythm to support the business you're building, that's exactly what we map out in the Seasons Success Method. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to align smarter with the energy that's been guiding you all along. Make sure you check out the show notes for how to grab your copy of the Vision Map and for ways to work more closely with me. And I hope you have an incredible rest of your week. I'll see you on the next episode.